suddenly, to my surprise,
He did the mash.
he did the monster mash.
The monster mash.
It was a graveyard
He
smash.
did the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
He did the mash.
He did the monster mash. From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abode to get a jolt from my electrode.
They did the mash.
They did the monster
The
mash.
monster mash.
It was a graveyard
They
smash.
did the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
They did the mash.
They did the monster mash. The zombies were having fun. The party had just begun. The guests included Wolfman, Dracula, and his son. The scene was rocking, all were digging the sounds. Igor on chains, backed by his baying hounds. The coffin bangers were about to arrive with their vocal group, the Crypt Kicker
They
Five.
did the mash.
They played the monster
The
mash.
monster mash.
It was a graveyard
They
smash.
played the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
They played the mash.
They played the monster mash. Out from his coffin, Rex's voice did ring. Seemed he was troubled by just one thing. Opened the lid and shook his fist and said, "Whatever happened to my Transylvania twist?
It's now the mash.
It's now the monster
The
mash.
monster mash.
And it's a graveyard
It's
smash.
now the mash.
It's caught on in a flash.
It's now the mash.
It's now the monster mash. Now everything's cool. Drax a part of the band, and my monster mash is the hit of the land. For you, the living, this mash was meant to. When you get to my door, tell them God is sick.
Then you can mash.
Then you can monster
The
mash
monster mash.
and do my graveyard
Then you
smash.
can mash.
You'll catch on in a flash.
Then you can mash.
Then you can monster mash.
Let's learn Monster Mash. It's choreographed by Karrie Stang. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Monster Mash. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do toe struts forward, so you're going to start with your right toe touching it forward, drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot, touch your left toe forward, drop your left heel, take weight onto your left foot, touch your right toe forward, drop your right heel, take weight onto your right foot, touch your left toe forward, drop your left heel, take weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts, weights on your left, doing your toe struts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, some styling that you can do for that section is you can kind of add some spooky arms in. So you could do monster claws, like you're sneaking up to somebody. You could do zombie arms. So when I do my monster, I kind of do it opposite of my toes, like I'm sneaking. When I do my zombie arms, I do the arms in the same direction as I'm doing my toe strut. So when I do my right, my arms come to the right, and when I do the left, my arms go to the left. But that section, you can kind of add whatever you would like into it to make it your own. Section 2, you're going to shuffle to the right. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, step your right foot to the right side, rock your left foot back and recover onto your right. We're now going to shuffle to the left, stepping your left foot to the side, step your right next to your left, step your left foot to the left side, rock your right foot back and recover onto your left. So let's try that with some counts, doing your shuffle. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. Rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, and then we're going to do a half shuffle over our right shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side, Step your left next to your right, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, you're doing your rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. You're going to step forward with your left foot. You're going to make a quarter pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock, and then you're going to stomp your left next to your right and stomp your right next to your left. We're now going to swivel both heels to the right, coming up on the balls of both feet, swivel to the right, having your knees go to the left. You're now going to swivel to the left, swivel to the right, and swivel to the left, putting your weight onto your left foot, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right. We just did our half shuffle. You're going to do your quarter pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your toe strut. So it's toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut. Shuffle to the right, rock back, recover. Shuffle to the left, rock back, recover. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover. Half shuffle, quarter pivot, stomp left, right, swivel right, left, right, left. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your toe struts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your toe struts. I'm going to do zombie arms. Starting with those toe struts, it's toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut. Shuffle to the right, rock back, recover. Shuffle to the left, rock back, recover. Rock forward, recover. Rock back, recover. Rock forward, recover. Half shuffle, quarter pivot, stomp, stomp. Swivel right, left toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut. Shuffle, rock back, recover. Shuffle, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover. Half shuffle, quarter pivot, stomp, stomp, swivel, 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 toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. And since this is for spooky season, you can add as much styling in as you want. You could add mashing arms if you would like to add extra into your Lindy's. When you rock back, you can kind of scare into the diagonals, all that kind of stuff. You can add whatever you would like in to make it your own and make it extra spooky. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the real demo, so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Monster Mash. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
For my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise,
He did the mash,
he did the monster
the
mash.
monster mash.
It was a graveyard
He
smash.
did the mash,
It caught on in a flash.
he did the mash.
He did the monster mash. From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abodes to get a jolt from my electrode.
They did the mash,
They did the monster
the
mash.
monster mash.
It was a graveyard
They
smash.
did the mash,
It caught on in a flash.
they did the mash.
They did the monster mash. The zombies were having fun.
In the shoe,
father and his son. The scene was rocking, all were digging the sounds. Igor on chains, backed by his baying hounds. The coffin bangers were about to arrive with their vocal group, the Crypt Kicker Five. They played the Monster Mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. They played the Monster Mash. Out from his coffin, Rex's voice did ring. Seemed he was troubled by just one thing. Opened the lid and shook his fist and said, "Whatever happened to my Transylvania twist?"
It's now the mash,
It's now the Monster
the
Mash,
monster mash.
and it's a graveyard
It's
smash.
now the mash,
It's caught on in a flash.
it's now the mash.
It's now the Monster Mash. Now everything's cool. Drax a part of the band, and my Monster Mash is the hit of the land. For you, the living, this mash was meant to. When you get to my door, tell them Boris said.
If you can mash,
Then you can Monster
the
Mash
monster mash.
and do my graveyard
Then you
smash.
can mash,
You'll get on in a flash.
then you can mash.
Then you can Monster Mash